Hi guys, my name is Miss Sam, and then me and my 4 other classmates created a vocabulary lesson for you guys to complete during this online time of learning that we're in. So what we're going to be focusing on are 6 new vocabulary words that we found in this article for you. So you're going to read about it, and then we also have 2 activities for you guys to complete, and then we're also, and this activity is important because it's going to help your English learning and improve that. So let's get going. So these are the 2 standards that are being met. So your ELP and then your ELA standards are the 2 standards that we're going to be focusing on. So I can see words it's going to take me to the flip grid that we made. Let's see, maybe. Here we go. And the password is capital W. We love school. And then we're going to hit let's go. And then here is me talking about the Freyer model, about the assignment that we want you to complete. We want you to tell us the words in English and in your language. More instructions are in this video that I created for you guys as well. Let's see, let's go back here. Okay, and then for the end of this presentation, we are going to we determined the meaning of the word baseball: game, interview, player, camp, superstar, and rookie, and teammate, in a short passage about the professional baseball player Juan Soto. And we clarified the meaning of these words by using different vocabularies, using Flipgrid and the Freyer model. So, like I said, if you click this link, it should take you directly to a Google Doc. Let's see here. Yep, and it looks like this. You're going to write your word up top here, your definition, your sentence in English, and your other language, your related word and picture. There are 2, if you just scroll down to the next page, there should be another one here for you. Maybe. We'll see if it works. Oh, there it goes. So there's 2, one for your first word, one for your second word. For the flip grid, we do ask that you do not use the same 2 vocabulary words that you already used in your Freyer models. We want you to be able to utilize all 7 of the words that we chosen for you. So we thank you for doing, for helping us with this lesson that we created for you, and we hope you have a lot of fun, and we can't wait to get your responses in either the Flipgrid model or the Freyer model as well. So thank you for listening, and we appreciate you taking the time to help us out. Have fun, guys. Bye.